If you allocate an insufficient contingent fund for your project prototypes, your budget will fall short midway, and if you are tight on cash, this will cause delays which may result in you not being able to complete your projects on time, and ultimately this may damage your final grade. Now, I understand that some of you may have multiple commitments, making it impractical to allocate unlimited funds for your projects. So I'm going to share with you a method that I use to determine the minimum amount to allocate to my own contingents. And hopefully this method will help you complete your own prototypes with as few budget issues as possible. So my simple rule of thumb is to allocate a fund that covers the cost of replacing the most critical components of my prototypes, which usually are the most expensive ones, at least twice. And then if my wallet allows it, I do add additional funds to cover other unique areas of that particular prototype that I'll be working on. For example, if an Arduino Uno is the most critical part in my project, I set aside a fund that can replace it at least twice should I damage it. And in most cases, I usually do damage it at least once and use the contingency fund to replace it. And if nothing else comes up, I then save the remainder of the contingency fund for future projects. Granted, there are many methods and tools to calculate the contingency fund for any given task. What I've just shared with you is what has worked for me as a rule of thumb in my own work. If you have a better method or alternative method, I'll be happy if you can share them with me in the comment section.